Hi everyone, welcome you back in this physics video, and in today's video we will learn about how to solve the numericals which is based on uniform accelerated motion. So as we have studied in our previous video, there are the four equations. So these are arranged in a proper way. Okay, so if it is said that the first equation of motion, so it is v equal to u plus of at, and second equation of motion is s equal to ut plus of half at square, and third equation is v square equal to u square plus of 2as. A is acceleration in all these that equations, and the fourth equation is there, that displacement in nth second is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus of 1. Okay, so these are the equations over here. So here we should to remember that v is what? It is final velocity. U is what? This is initial velocity. This A is uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. S is displacement. Okay, so these are the simple meaning which we are using over here, and this in fourth equation we are using this nth second. Okay, so n is for that second which is used in that one, and t is for time. T is for time. Okay, so while we are going to solve these numerical, so one thing we should remember, this is that motion of a body along a straight line. Okay, and the second thing which we should remember during this motion, that if body is going to start from rest, if body starts from rest, then you need to take over there u equals to 0, initial velocity 0. ठीक है, u कब 0 लेना है? जब बॉडी starts from rest. ठीक है, and second thing over here, if body suddenly stops, so take over there final velocity is 0. Okay, these are the important result which we are going to use while we are going to solve our numerical. So in the question, this will be given that whether the body is going to stop or whether the body is going to start. Okay, so this will be already written in the question. So now let us look over here one of the numerical. So here we have this very first question. Plane jet starts from rest with an acceleration of 3 meter per second का square and makes a run for 35 seconds before takeoff. What is the minimum length of runway and what is the velocity of jet at the takeoff? Okay, so over here what is said to us? Let us to draw it in the form of a picture. Let us suppose this is the jet plane which is said over here that it starts from rest. So this is starts from rest. So when it starts from rest, so its initial velocity is taken to be 0. Okay, and after this it moves with the 3 meter per second ka square acceleration. So from here, if I will suppose that it is that A point, so A to B, he goes with this acceleration which is of 3 meter per second ka square, and the time which he takes, so he takes 35 second. So time that it is of 35 second before takeoff. So at B point it is going to take off. And therefore, what is the minimum length of the runway? You have to find out how much is the length of AB, because at B it is going to take off. And second thing over here, what is the velocity of jet at takeoff? And here you have to find out this velocity of the jet. What was the velocity over here of this jet when it take off? Okay, so this we have to calculate it from our this question. So now let us start over here. First thing, it is solution. What thing is given to us? Initial velocity is there because it is going to start from rest. Okay, so therefore it is taken to be 0, and thereafter it takes 35 seconds. So this 35 second it takes from A to B, and it moves with this acceleration which is of 3 meter per second ka square. and we have to find over here that how much is the displacement between A and B, and second thing over there we have to find out this how much is its final velocity. Okay, so final velocity during its takeoff. So this we need to find out. So therefore, as we are known, there are the three equation of motion: v equal to u plus of at, s equal to ut plus of half at square, and this v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, so see over there that we have to find out a displacement. So displacement, this first equation cannot be used in second equation and third equation. There is the displacement given. Okay, so thus we can use second and third. But this we have to check that in second equation initial velocity will be used. Okay, so initial velocity is given to us. Time will be used. This is also available. Acceleration will be used. So it is also available. So it means displacement we can calculate. Therefore, first part, that displacement we are going to find over here with the help of this equation using second equation of motion, that it is ut plus of half at square, and thus we are having u into t. U is what? 0. So 0 multiplied with the any term, it will be 0, and 1 by 2. How much is the acceleration? It is of 3. Time taken, it is of 35 seconds. So its square will be there. Its square will be there. So thus we get over here, this 2 will divide it, it is 1.5, and when we takes the 35 square and multiply it with 1.5, so we get over here 1837.5 meter. Okay, this is that displacement which this jet plane goes from A to B to that taking off point. Now the second, that what was its velocity when it takes off. Okay, so we have to check again that which equation can give us this velocity. Okay, so now we are having displacement as well, we are having initial velocity, time. Okay, final velocity also we have to calculate. So here you can see this first equation. You can also use the third one, but in that you need to use this displacement thereafter. Okay, so first equation, and that what it says, v equal to u plus of at. So that's how much is this u? It is 0, plus a is 3 and time is 35, and it will be multiplied, and that will come 105 meter per second. Okay, so this is our final velocity. Okay, so here we have taken that this is going with the uniform acceleration. So therefore this becomes the case of uniform accelerated motion, and we have solved it. So now let us to look for the question number 2. Question number 2. Electron travel with a speed of 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Okay, so as already we should to remember one thing, speed and velocity is used that simultaneously when the motion is along straight path. Okay, so therefore speed is given to us, which is 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, and acceleration of this electron, it is 10 to the power 12 meter per second. How long will it take to double its speed? तो कितनी देर में इसकी स्पीड डबल हो जाती है. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट, व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय इलेक्ट्रॉन इन दिस टाइम. तो जिस टाइम में उसकी स्पीड डबल होती है उस टाइम में इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. Okay, now we have to note down all the things. So we are taking here solution. So see that which speed is given to us. Okay, तो यहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहा है. सो वी आर लुकिंग ओवर हियर दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन इनिशियली इट इज गोइंग टू मूव विद दिस स्पीड. ओके, तो ये क्या कर रहा है, पहले ही एक स्पीड से ट्रैवल कर रहा है. ओके, सो इट मीन्स इनिशियली इट इज गोइंग टू ट्रैवल विद द स्पीड. It is not going to start from rest. Okay, so here it is moving with 5 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second, and that's the acceleration which it is having, 10 to the power 12 meter per second ka square. Now they are asking to us in what time it will become double. Okay, so that time in which it will become double, and second part it is over there, what will be the displacement of this electron in that time. Okay, so that's we have to see over here that गिवन वन थिंग विच इज़ गिवन टू अस, जो स्पीड है यहाँ पर क्या हो रही है, डबल हो रही है. ठीक है। तो इसलिए फाइनल स्पीड क्या है, डबल ऑफ इनिशियल है, ठीक है। तो हाउ मच इज इनिशियल, सो इसका डबल हमारे पास, इट मीन्स इट इज 2 × 5 × 10⁻³ एंड दैट विल कम आउट टू बी 10⁻⁴. 5 × 2 10 and 10⁻³ already, so it in plus becomes 10⁻⁴. Okay, this is meter per second, 10⁻⁴ meter per second. Okay, now we have to find out in what time it has doubled. Okay, so therefore time, so see that uniform acceleration, because we are saying with this acceleration it is moving, so it is uniform. Therefore we are having this first equation, v equal to u plus of at. Okay, so can we use this one to find out this that time? So final velocity is given, initial velocity is also given, acceleration is also given, that means time we can determine it. Okay, then we can write over here using first equation of accelerated motion, v equal to u plus of at, and this t will come out v minus of u upon में a, and which in turn is equal to final velocity is that of 10⁻⁴ minus of this initial velocity is 5 × 10⁻³ upon में that acceleration is there 10⁻12. Okay, this is over there. Now we will find that 10⁻³ is common from the upside, 10⁻³ is common, so inside that will left only 10 minus of 5 upon में 10⁻12 will be there. Okay, so here what will come, 10 minus 5 will be there, and this 10⁻12 when it will goes to the numerator it will become negative. तो माइनस की 12 और प्लस की 3 पावर, तो आंसर क्या होगा, माइनस की 9 पावर. It means we will have this answer 5 × 10⁻⁻9 second. This is that time. This is that time in which the speed will be doubled. Okay, now the next question they ask that in this time what will be its displacement. ठीक है, तो उसकी displacement क्या होगी. So for this displacement then you will find that s equal to ut plus half at square, because first equation do not have any relation of displacement, second equation is having this relation, and the third equation is having the relation. ठीक है, तो third equation that final speed you needed, initial speed you needed, and acceleration, so third you can use over there, but that will not taking the use of this time. Okay, so we have to take that time as well in this relation. So displacement will be u is how much, it is 5 × 10⁻³ time is there of 5 × 10⁻⁻9 plus 1/2 acceleration is there, so it is of 10⁻12 into time का square, so it is 5 × 10⁻⁻9 का square. Okay, this will come over here. So now first look to solve the 10 power. Here plus 3 power minus 3 power they are in multiply. So it is 5 × 5 25 into 10 की power that will be minus 9 plus 3 minus of 6 plus over there. Here this 2 will divide this 5. So it will be 2 point, sorry, it will not come in this way. It is 1/2 as it is into 10⁻12, and this will be the square is over here, so 5 का square that it is 25, and there पावर की पावर मल्टीप्लाई होती है, तो इसलिए -9 × 2 minus of 18, so this will be minus of 18. Okay, now thereafter we can have it is as this 2 will divide this 25, so it is 12.5, so 25 into 10 की power minus of 6 and plus 12.5, and this 10 की power 12, and it is plus power, minus of 18 power is there, so that 12 minus 18 will become 10 की power minus of 6. Okay, so thus we are having over here, it is that 10 की power minus 6 is common in them, inside it is 25 plus this 12.5, so that will become 37.5. so thus we are having, this is our answer, that 37.5 into 10 की power minus of 6, and that is displacement. This is displacement. Question number 3 over here, that driver takes 0.20 seconds to apply brakes after he sees a need for it. Okay, so this is known as reaction time. Reaction time means that when you see the thing and the time you take to take the action. Okay, means for example, that you are walking on the road and suddenly you saw a dog is coming toward you, and when you saw the dog, so thereafter you takes the time what to do thereafter. You have to run away. Okay, so that is the time for decision making. It is said to be reaction time. Okay, so here this driver, he has taken 0.20 second to think what he has to do. So if he is driving at 54 km per hour and brakes cause a deceleration of 6 meter per second का square, find the distance traveled by the car after he sees the need to put the brakes. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या बोला गया कि एक ड्राइवर जो है वो 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चल रहा था, ठीक है, एंड सडनली ही रियलाइज कि उसको ब्रेक अप्लाई करनी है। तो मतलब कि डिसीजन बनाने के लिए उसको 0.20 सेकेंड लग गया, सोचते सोचते 0.20 सेकेंड लग गया, ठीक है। और फिर उसने ब्रेक अप्लाई की, तो जैसे ही वो ब्रेक अप्लाई करता है तो उसमें रिटार्डेशन हो जाती है। डीएसलरेशन मतलब कि रिटार्डेशन, और रिटार्डेशन हो जाती है 6 मीटर पर सेकेंड का स्क्वायर से, ठीक है। तो दे आर आस्किंग टू अस कि द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द कार आफ्टर ही सीज द नीड टू पुट द ब्रेक, ठीक है। तो जब उसने मतलब कि टाइम लिया उस डिसीजन को बनाने के लिए, तो उस टाइम पीरियड में कितना डिस्टेंस कार ने ट्रैवल कर लिया। Let us to solve this question. So over here solution we are supposing, so initially this driver is going with this speed of 54 kilometer per hour. This is the initial speed of the driver, and he took over there that time of 0.20 second टू अप्लाई द ब्रेक, ठीक है। तो डिसीजन बनाने के लिए कि मुझे ब्रेक अप्लाई करनी है, उसने कितना टाइम ले लिया 0.20 सेकेंड का। तो इस टाइम के अंदर मतलब कि ब्रेक अप्लाई करने से पहले और जो उसका डिसीजन बनाने में टाइम लगा, तो उस टाइम में कितनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट उस कार ने कर ली। ओके, सो वी कैन से ओवर हेयर दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिस टाइम इट विल बी इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम। तो ये हमारे पास स्पीड इनटू टाइम से आ जाएगा। दिस विल बी दैट ऑफ, इफ़ वी विल चेंज दिस वन 54 को आपने किलोमीटर पर आवर है, इसको मीटर पर सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट कर लो, ठीक है। सो देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ओवर हेयर बाय 5/18। ओके, इट इज़ मीटर पर सेकेंड देन, सो दिस विल बी 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड, क्योंकि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी दिस वी शुड टू रिमेंबर 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर, this is equal to 5/18 meter per second. Okay, so conversion directly we have used in this. So therefore we get this is as 15 into that time taken, which is of 0.20, and this is equals to that 3.0 meter. Okay, so this is that displacement he has done before applying the brake, okay. And when he applied the brake, so after of this that to stop the car, हाउ मच डिस्प्लेसमेंट ही हैज़ डन, ठीक है। तो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक, अब हम बात करते हैं आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ब्रेक, सो हाउ मच इज दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट, सो दैट वी कैन टेक ओवर हेयर। इनिशियली वो कौन सी स्पीड से चल रहा था, इनिशियली चल रहा था वो 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मीन्स टू से दैट इट वॉज 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, दिस वॉज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, एंड देन ही हैज़ दैट अप्लाइड द ब्रेक, ठीक है। तो उसने ब्रेक अप्लाई की, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन रिटार्डेशन इज प्रोड्यूस इन द बॉडी, ठीक है। तो उसमें क्या हुई रिटार्डेशन, तो रिटार्डेशन दैट यू विल टेक इट विद नेगेटिव साइन, क्योंकि नेगेटिव ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन क्या होती है रिटार्डेशन, तो इसलिए रिटार्डेशन हमेशा नेगेटिव से आपने लेनी है, ठीक है। तो इसलिए 6.0 मीटर पर सेकेंड का स्क्वायर, दिस इज द रिटार्डेशन विच इज गॉन। नाउ इट कम्स टू रेस्ट, ठीक है। तो ये जो कार है वो क्या हो जाती है, ब्रेक अप्लाई करने के बाद रेस्ट पे आ गई, ठीक है। सो देयरफॉर इफ इट विल कम टू रेस्ट, सो फाइनल वेलोसिटी व्हाट इट विल बी, दैट विल बी जीरो, कम्स टू रेस्ट, ठीक है। तो इसलिए फाइनल वेलोसिटी उसकी जीरो होगी, ठीक है। सो देयरफॉर नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मच इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिस कार हैज़ डन आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक। सो एज वी आर नोन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन का यूज़ नहीं किया जा सकता, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। सेकेंड इक्वेशन में हमारे पास हाफ ऑफ एटी स्क्वायर, ठीक है। तो इसमें इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है हमारे पास, ठीक है। तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट टी टाइम के अंदर दे रहा है, ठीक है। वट ओवर देयर जो हमें टाइम हेयर दैट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक इट इज़ नॉट गिवन, सो वी कैन नॉट यूज़ दिस वन, क्योंकि इसमें दो अननोन टर्म हो जाती है आफ्टर अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक, ठीक है। नाउ द थर्ड, दिस इज वी स्क्वेयर इक्वल टू यू स्क्वेयर प्लस ऑफ 2s, okay, so this third equation we can use. So here using v square is equal to u square plus of 2s, and thus we got over here our demand is displacement, so for, make the formula, take the things to the left side, v square minus u square and upon में double of a, and which is thereafter the calculation of remaining part over here, and this displacement will be 0 minus of u का square, u का square means 15 का square, 15 का square it is 225 upon में that of 2 into minus of 6 will be there, acceleration, it is negative of acceleration is there, so this will be minus of 12, negative and negative will cancel, so 225 upon में this is 12 over here, and when we are going to divide this one we get that it is that of displacement is of 18.7 मीटर, ठीक है। तो ब्रेक अप्लाई करने के बाद वो इतनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट करती है, और ब्रेक अप्लाई करने से पहले जो डिसीजन बनाने में टाइम लगा था उस टाइम में 3 मीटर वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाता है। तो टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट व्हाट इट विल बी, तो अगर हम टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट की बात करें तो टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इसमें बन जाएगी फिर हमारे पास 3 प्लस 18.75, दैट इज़ 21.75 मीटर, ओके, दिस विल बी द टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट। वट ओवर देयर क्वेश्चन में बोला गया था कि आपने क्या करना, ओनली डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द कार आफ्टर ही सीज द नीड टू पुट द ब्रेक, यानी कि आपको बस इतना सा फाइंड आउट करना था डिस्प्लेसमेंट उस कार को ब्रेक अप्लाई करने से पहले, ठीक है। And total displacement we have calculated over here in this question. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.